This is the Omni-Ultimate, a brand new innovation that comes equipped with the best-in-class charging technologies. Offering an advanced AC outlet, adjustable DC output, and a high-powered USB-C port, you can power even the most demanding devices. Smart, powerful, and durable. This is the ultimate power solution to face any challenge and pursue every passion. Designed for the most demanding professionals on the go. Whether you're a freelancer, digital artist, or an innovator, this power solution is capable of charging all your devices. It's built for any situation and to solve every challenge. And beyond that, it comes with an industry-first DC outlet with adjustable voltage and amperage, giving you full power control so you can power anything, anywhere. The Omni-Ultimate is the perfect power companion for all your equipment, whether for high-end professional work or for thrill-seeking hobbies. From start to finish, you want to be ready to take action, and your equipment needs to stay powered up at all times. Running out of power in the middle of your task is not an option. That's why we've designed this industry-first interchangeable battery system, allowing you to stay powered up so you won't miss any moments. Whether you're out in the world doing field research, helping in a disaster zone, or just want to camp out with your family and friends, the Omni-Ultimate is there to keep you going. It's equipped with advanced solar charging capabilities so you can stay off-grid and keep your devices powered up. It's built to be durable as well as splash and dust resistant. It's the last power solution you will ever need.
Siri, play my favorite song.
These things are awesome.
I love the sound quality, the wireless charging, and for sure the nice, lovely, small design. Check it out.
The design is perfect. And it's awesome.
Now, the thing I love about these headphones is, as an athlete, I'm always going out running, or especially playing squash. and these headphones never fall out. No matter what activity I'm doing, they stay in.
It's so comfortable and sounds really good.
I love that stylish design. Wow, it's so comfortable and easy to use. The sound quality is really awesome.
Вообще хотелось бы порекомендовать данные наушники, так как вы получите не только эксклюзивный, очень стильный дизайн, который подойдет как девушкам, так и парням, но также высококлассный звук и функциональность данных наушников.
Take a picture.
Introducing KNZ SoundFlux True Wireless Dual Driver Headphones. With the unique dual driver audio system, SoundFlux headphones are consistent and perform extraordinarily well with an ultra-wide dynamic range. With crisp highs, detailed mid-range, and unforgettable bass, SoundFlux defines the new standard of quality. Its Sound Pass feature, when enabled, allows you to engage with the environment without pausing your music. The truly wireless form factor provides not only stereo music, but also stereo phone calls. SoundFlux headphones' contemporary design makes it comfortable and secure for every ear. The headphones come in a rechargeable case that extends music playback over 24 hours.
My name is Brendan Phillips Taylor. I am a producer, musician, pianist, and drummer.
I'm Michael Lewis, and I am the artistic director of the Atlanta Wind Project.
My name is Harry. I've been playing music since around 6th grade.
My initial response, these headphones are comfortable. When I think about like even Apple AirPods or Beats in ears, after a while I have to take them out because they hurt my ears.
As a conductor, I'm really looking for balance. So I really need to find a headphone that can properly display the treble very well and the mid. Wow, these are truly some amazing headphones that I had the chance to listen to. I've never seen such a pair of headphones that had such a clear, prominent balance between all registers.
You want bass to be there, and we live in a bass society. What I do love about these is that I can still feel the bass. I don't feel like the bass is compromised.
These earphones are different from the past ones I've used. I feel like these have a much more natural sound. It's not forced. Headphones I've used in the past still have way too much bass or not enough at all. This one kind of has an even distribution of everything.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a call now, and it's gonna be in both ears. Wow, okay. Like, you really sound like you're in my head. When I talk, I hear myself, I hear you. My music is still playing.
It's really, really clear. Definitely different from different headphones because I feel like the the voice is all around 360 surround sound. These headphone sound pass feature is pretty cool. I would definitely use this feature, especially being in the gym. You don't have to keep taking your headphones out if you want to talk to your friend. Pretty weird being able to listen to yourself and other people. It's not just other people, you can hear yourself talk too. So I think that's definitely really cool.
So typically when I leave the house, I do this 1, 2, 3 pat, which is phone, keys, wallet, to make sure I have everything I need. I feel like now I have to do a 1, 2, 3, 4 pat, which would be my phone, my keys, my wallet, and my dual driver true wireless headphones.